Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this episode we're going to go over the install of a new auto dimming mirror on the Powerstroke. Stay tuned for more. So here's the mirror we're going to be using. It's a Gentex 177 model number. I bought it off of eBay and the seller provides everything: the mirror, the pigtail, along with the temperature sensor. And he also includes some diagrams and everything on how to wire it, which is really awesome. This install is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is mount the temperature sensor away from the engine bay heat and run a power and ground to the mirror, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for the install. So what I'm trying to do here is find a reverse signal. On my 2004 Powerstroke, when you remove the fuse box, this very last connector right here, there's a black with a red stripe wire, and that's the reverse signal. So you could just tap into that and then run it up along the A-pillar with your power and ground wire to the mirror. So what I went ahead and did here was I wired up the power, the ground, and the reverse signal to the mirror already. I verified that it works, and then I worked on getting the placement of the temperature sensor, and I'll show that in a minute. So I got everything ran down along the A-pillar here, down underneath the dash, and I have already gotten the wires for the temp sensor ran through the firewall, and I'm going to test those in a minute. So here's where I decided to mount my temperature sensor. There was already a hole here, so it was pretty easy to mount. If it doesn't read accurately, I can move it later on without any problems. I've already ran all the wiring and tucked it up out of the way along the battery here into the firewall. I loomed it just to give it a little bit of extra protection. So we're going to get to testing the actual sensor now and see if it works. So here it is. It's all wired up now. I actually drove around and did the little calibration. It basically has to go through all the directions, like north, east, south, west, in order to get its bearings. It's working accurate now, showing the correct direction, and it actually is within 1 degree of what the outside temperature should be. So this is a pretty cool little upgrade. So that's going to finish this install of my rear view mirror on my Powerstroke. In the comments, let me know what you thought and what you'd like to see in the future. Stay tuned for more Powerstroke and Stang content. Thank you guys.